Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag for November 2021. So first off, I saw the green bag. I don't know what I feel about this. I mean, what do you guys think? It kind of looks like my grandma's old couch. And to top it off, it doesn't have the usual Ipsy logo that's inside the bag. So I feel like it's lower quality bag. Thankfully, the products in the bag are another story. First up is Glossier's Cleanser. It's a gel cleanser, super light. It's not my most favorite cleanser, but I have tried it in the past. If you want to know more about Glossier, check out this video here. Next up is a brand that I've never tried before. It's by the brand YC. It's a highlighter in the color Coin. This is a Latina-founded beauty company, and honestly, I was so surprised at how creamy the texture was on the highlighter. It does look like more of a subtle highlighter though. Next is a concealer brush by Bell and Argent. Hopefully that's how you pronounce it. It is $16. It has vegan bristles. It's clean beauty, Leaping Bunny certified. I'm always very satisfied with the brushes that we get from our Ipsy Glam bag. Next up is a Pur Concealer. Normally full price is $23. It contains retinol and antioxidant-rich superfood ingredient. It's a concealer that brightens. It contains turmeric, caffeine, and green tea. One of my most favorite foundations is by Pur, and so I'm so excited that I get to try their concealer this time. And the last item is the Origins Moisturizer, normally $32 for 1.7 ounce. I've tried this moisturizer before. It is vegan, clean at Sephora, and it's best for oily combination skin types. It refreshes and recharges the skin. So that is everything in my Ipsy Glam bag. What do you guys think? Did you like the products that I got? I'm definitely satisfied with the items I got for the price. I mean, it's hard for Ipsy to not please me, at least for their glam bags. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll definitely see you guys back in my corner soon. Bye!